Welcome to my channel Maths Arena, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So welcome friends. So in this video we will learn some more about Sturgeon indices. So let's begin. So if you are given mth root of nth root of a, so what you can write, you can simply multiply this both. Root means m into nth root of a or nth root of mth root of a. Okay, and keep in mind that m and n both are positive integers. Okay, so now moving towards next, mth root of nth root of a power k whole power n. So what you can write, mth root of a power k as this whole term we can write as a power k power n into 1 by n. So this both will cancel out. Okay, or else you can write it as m into nth root of a power k into n. Okay friends, now we will see the examples. So number first example, root a multiplied by root a. Okay, so here the answer will be root a the whole square, so it is equals to a. Okay, then if you are given root a multiplied by root b, then simply you have to multiply the number inside the root, means root of a into b. So now if you are given a plus root b equals to c plus root d. Okay, so in this case इसके अंदर क्या होगा कि the expression on the left side and the expression on the right side. Okay, these are the two given expressions. So what we can do, the expression on the left side which is free from the root, okay, will be equal to the expression on the right side which is free from the root. So a equals to c. Okay, so similarly this b will be equals to d. Okay, so now if you are given 1 upon root a minus root b, so how to simplify this? Okay, so it's simple. So in this case what you have to do, if you are given this type of sum, so simply multiply and divide. Okay, multiply and divide the number opposite to the sign of this expression, means root a minus root b. Okay, divide that expression opposite to this expression. So root a plus root b and divide root a plus root b. Okay, so what you have to do, if you are given like this expression, so first look over this expression. Okay, so here the expression is in negative. So to get the answer, what we will do, that we will simply multiply and divide the expression which is opposite to this expression. Okay, so this is called rationalization. What is called rationalization? Okay, so in case you are given 1 upon root a plus root b, so in that case what you will do, you will multiply and divide with root a minus root b. Okay, so now 1 multiplied by root a plus root b, so it will be root a plus root b and divided by, so now these both are in multiplication, root a minus root b into root a plus root b. Okay, so now it is expression like in the last, means in my early videos I have told the algebraic expressions. Okay, so in that algebraic expression, one expression is like that. If you are given a minus b into a plus b, okay, so what you can write, a square minus b square. Okay, so now here the expression is same, root a minus root b multiplied by root a plus root b. Okay, so now we can write is at root a whole square minus root b the whole square. So now it will become root a plus root b divided by a minus b. Okay, so this is all in this video. So अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई so please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. So now we will meet in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye.